An excellent morning, dears. How are you? I hope everybody is fine. I'm also fine. Okay. So the previous class we started the chapter 4, the basic geometrical ideas. In that we saw the important concepts like point determines the location, then line segment, it corresponds to the shortest distance between 2 points. Then we saw about line, intersecting line, parallel line and ray, isn't it? In connected with this, we are going to see another who is the vertex. So, again I repeat, an angle is made up of two rays. Okay, starting from a common starting point. So, it should have, these two rays should have a common starting point. Angle are made when corners are formed. The two rays forming the angles are called the arms or sides of the angle. This is called as arms of the sides of the angle. Okay. Now, the angle is denoted by this like this. You can put an angle like this. Okay. And you can name it POQ. POQ in the capital letters. Okay. So the vertex will be always written in the middle letter. This vertex will be in the middle letter. Do you understand? So if it is POQ, you should write PO in the middle, Q. Not like this. PQO. Should not write in this way. Understand? This is wrong. So always the vertex should be in the middle letter. Okay. Fine. Now you can take a paper, draw like this. Okay. Draw a two rays. Okay. The rays are what? This is the ray C and the ray A. B is the vertex. Okay. Fine. Now you can shade with the colors, any shade. You can shade this particular portion. This ray will keep on going. Understand? So, after this, I point a mark here as what? X. Okay. And this is S. And this is Z. Okay. Now, I am going to teach you one thing. Right? So, X is an interior of the angle. X is in the interior of the angle. Interior. The word interior means what? Inside. It is inside. Okay. You can say for the opposite of that. Then Z is what? It is exterior. Okay. Interior. The word interior means it is inside that. Okay. Exterior. EXTERIOR. Okay. So now you can say X is what? Interior. It is an interior. The angle CACBA. Okay. Now Z is exterior. What is about S? S is on the angle CBA. Is it clear? S is on the angle CBA. It is on the angle. Understand? Again I repeat. X is interior. Z is exterior. And the point S is on. S is on the angle CBA. How to read this? Angle CBA. B should be in the middle. Understand? When it is a vertex, that vertex which makes angle should be written in the middle. Is it clear? Fine. Consider the exercise 4.3. Okay. The first sum. Name the angle in the given figure. So the figure is given. So it is named as AB, BC, CD and DA. So I join and make a figure. Okay. Here the question is name the angle. They are asking to name the angle. Okay. So for that, first you have to name the angle. The angle should be first with A. Okay. A should be in middle. So how will you write? Put the angle symbol and write it. D first. D, A, B. So A is middle. Okay, the angle should be in the middle. Next, what is that? Next, what you can write? To start with, B should be in the middle. Okay, how to make? A, B, C. Okay, next, C should be in the middle. So B, C, D. Next, D should be in the middle. So what will start with? C, D, A. Is it clear? Now A, B, C, D. All the angles are carved. Understand? Yes. Now you can mark this in the book itself. Okay. In the given diagram, name the points. The diagram is given. Okay. Just listen to the diagram in the book itself and you can say the points. Okay. A. In the interior of the angle DOE. DOE. See the book carefully. DOE. What is the, name the point. What is the point given in that DOE? What is the point? The point interior angle. So it is A. Good. Next, B sum. In the exterior of angle EOF. Exterior, what are the points are there? Outer angles. What are the angles are here? C, A and D. Good. Next, C sum. On the angle EOF, on. On means it should be on the point. So angle EOF, what is the point? B is there, isn't it? Point B is on the line. Is it clear? Now second sum. In the given diagram, name the point. Okay. So first A1, A sum. You can write the answer in the book itself. In the interior of the angle DOE. DOE. What is the interior angle here? Interior angle A. Understand? So answer is A. You can write it. This in the page number 18. Next. B sum. What is the question asked? In the exterior of angle EOF. EOF. What is the exterior angle given? Many angles are C. Angle EOF. You can consider this also as an exterior angle. So exterior point. So what will be the exterior points? C, A and D are the exterior points. Okay. Now on EOF. On, which is on? EOF, which is on? The point B. Very good. Do we understand? Once again I repeat. In the interior of angle DOE, interior point is A. Okay. Exterior of EOF. What is the exterior points? C, A and D. On EOF, B. Is it clear? Fine. Now we will go to the third question. Now third sum. Draw a rough diagram of two angles such that they form one point in common. So this you can do it in your classwork. So just listen to it. Okay. Now we are going to find what is one point in common. So you draw a line. So this is NS. Okay, this line segment is NS. Here, one point in common means you can draw two rays, isn't it? So put up one point in common. You can draw two rays. Okay. So this is M and this is N. Okay. So what are the angles can be formed? MON, isn't it? Angle MON and angle ROS. Now listen, third sum. Draw a rough diagram of two angles, one point in common. Okay, you want to draw a rough diagram. Okay, so how to form that? First you draw a line. Okay, so that line is N and S. Okay, any letter you can put, that's not a problem. But when you're writing the angles, you have to take and write it carefully. Okay, N and S. Now, here one point in common. Put a point O as a common. Okay. Here it becomes another line, a ray here towards this side and this side. Okay. And make it a name as M and R. Okay. So what are the angles formed here? MON and ROS. Is it clear? So one point common is O. What are the angles? Angle MON and angle ROS. Here O is the common point. So one point is common. Is it clear? 2 points in common. So how to draw this first? So first you have to draw a line. Okay. This is the O and it is N. You can name any letter, but you write it correctly. Okay. Next, with this line, you draw another ray. Okay. And mark it as, here it as M. Okay. Yes. And with this point, you draw another line, another ray, which is R. Okay. Now, how will you make an angle for this? Angle RMO, angle MON. Okay. So here M and O are the common 2 points. Understand? Here in this angle also you get M, and here also M, here O, and here also O. Okay. So the two angles are formed with 2 points in common, M and O. For this picture you have to draw 2 points as you can draw like this. Is it clear? Okay. So with O as a common point, you can draw first M and N. Then with M you can draw another ray R. Okay. And form RMO and MON. Is it clear? So when you draw only, you can easily understand. It doesn't always have a notes with you. How I am drawing, you can also draw and see. Right? Fine. Now see some 3 points in common. So how to draw 3 points in common? How to draw? So first to draw a line, a ray PQ. Okay. So it is a P, it is Q. Okay. Draw a line segment PQ. Again, you draw a ray. Okay. In this, a common meeting point is there, right? Imagine it looks like an intersecting line, isn't it? Now it is PQ. Here one common point is there. You can name it as O. Okay. In this line, you can point N and M. So I get 3 points in common. Is it clear? Fine. How you can make angles here? Angle QOM and angle POM. Yes. QOM and POM. Yes. And you have a common meeting points like M and M, N and O. Okay. So you get 3 points in common. Okay, fine. Next, they are asking for 4 points in common. Now, you have 4 points in common. How to draw 4 points in common? So, first you draw a line segment. How to draw 4 points in common? Keep a point O. Draw a ray P and Q. Okay, this is a Q. Then you can draw another line ray L. Okay, in that you can point N and M. Okay. Now you get 4 points. Yes. So it is 4 points in common. So you can have an angle of QOL and angle LOP. Okay. Now you have 4 points. How you have 4 points here? O, M, N and L. Okay. So these are the 4 points in common. So what are the angles formed here? QOL and LOP. Is it clear? In that you have points. Understand? What are the points? O, M, L, N, L are the 4 points in common. Okay. Now we are going to see triangles. Okay. The word triangle. Tri means 3. Okay. I'll explain you. Triangle is a 3-sided polygon. The polygon with least number of sides. If I give you 2 sticks, can you form any figure? No, isn't it? So with this 2 stick, I can't form a line. It's just a parallel line alone. Understand? If I have 3-sided, say I take 3-sided, so I can form a triangle. Isn't it? Yes. And I can name it A. This is the 2-line meeting point, is a vertex, that is A. Another point, it is B, and it is C. Understand? So A, B, C. So what are the 3 sides of the triangle? The sides of the triangles are, you can say, in the cyclic order, AB, BC and CA. AB, the line segment AB, and the line segment BC, and the line segment CA. Okay, fine. Next are the 3 angles. What are the 3 angles you can make? Angles. I have taught you the angle should be in the middle. What the angle you are going to do. So the angle BAC. A angle first. Okay, then you want B as another angle ABC. Then what you have to do? C should be in the middle. So BCA. So these are the angles made by this ABC. Okay, fine. Then ABC are the vertices of the triangle. ABC are the vertices or vertex. Vertices is the plural form of it. Okay. Okay. Now we consider a triangle. Okay, consider this triangle. Here a point Q. Here the point P. Here the point R. So P is interior, R is exterior, and this Q is on the triangle. Okay, if I name this as ABC, in the triangle ABC, what is the interior point? You can say P. What is the exterior point? R. What is the point on ABC is Q. Is it clear? Fine. So with this, in the exercise 4.4, first one, you can draw a triangle ABC and mark like this, interior and exterior, okay, in your class book. And second sum, identify 3 angles in the figure, write the name of the 7 angles, write the name of the 6 line segment, which two triangles have angle B as common. These things you observe and do it in the class book. Is it okay? Fine. Okay students, I hope everybody could understand this. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you.